Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and I am the Ethical Investor. I'm making this video to comprehensively explain what the channel will focus on, what the future of the channel will be, and also just to kind of introduce myself and my inspiration for making the channel. As I'm sure many of you have gathered, the focus of the channel will be on all things to do with ethical investing. Personally, when I first started my investing journey, a major reason that kind of stopped me from starting earlier was that I was worried I would have to compromise my morals and values in order to actually achieve successful returns on the market. However, what I've learned is that it is more than possible to achieve sustainable and strong returns on the market whilst investing in companies that are actually often helping the planet and people all around the world. Although I have to say there are many ETFs and funds out there that are ESG focused or invest in ethical companies, but if you are like me, then you will also be interested in having greater control over exactly which companies your money is funding. Now, I'm not suggesting that funds and ETFs that focus on industries or screen out unethical companies are not a great way to invest, and particularly as a beginner investor, putting your money into industries or markets that are having positive impacts rather than increasing the risk of your investments through individual stocks is a great way to start. And so in fact, I actually highly recommend researching funds and ETFs to invest in, or also by researching such funds and ETFs, it's also a great way to find companies that you might be interested in investing in. As such, a major focus that this channel will have will be on how to find the best ethical investment opportunities, as well as what to look for when researching such companies. Another focus of the channel will be to provide insight and my perspectives on current events in the market and global economies, as well as more general investing information like styles, investing methods, and of course, research. The future of the channel is going to be continuing to post informative and useful videos on a weekly to fortnightly basis. I hope that I will be able to build a positive and collaborative community where investors from all expertise can engage with the content and gain a better understanding of ethical investing and its importance. Now, to introduce myself a little bit, I am a university student currently studying a double degree of arts and commerce, majoring in international studies for my arts degree and economics for my commerce degree. And so I have very strong interests in international studies, politics and relations, and of course as well in economics. I also love many sports. I particularly play soccer, I play basketball, and I used to play a bit of cricket. I also love music. I did play the double bass back in the day in high school. However, I also just kind of enjoy listening to music in my spare time. I've developed a passion for investing, and I really hope that through this channel I will be able to help others discover how they can attain passive income, grow their wealth, and benefit from the marvels of compound interest, and learn about a whole aspect of the economy that is becoming more and more easy to access, but it also has these layers of jargon and complexities that prevent everyday people like yourself and me from utilizing the stock market. And as such, I really hope that I'll be able to provide informative, educational content that can break down these complexities and make the stock market seem far less scary, as well as highlight how we can actually have a positive impact on the world through investing in the right stocks. I know at the moment the background is very bare, and as you can tell, this is the beginning of the channel, but over time I've been on Redbubble, if any of you know that. I think it's an Australian company that you can buy lots of art off, and I really want to kind of spice up the background for these videos. And over time, I think my editing skills will get better, and so I can make them a bit more interesting and whatnot. And yeah, so hopefully this will grow along with the channel, and we can all have lots of fun with it. And finally, A little disclosure that all content that is and will be published on this channel is not financial advice and is only for the purposes of education and entertainment. And yeah, thanks for checking out the channel. I hope we can build a thriving and positive community and all succeed in achieving financial independence and freedom. All right, see you guys.